take you there, back to when we felt like this was forever.
What's up, you guys? It's Randy and you're watching The Real Randy Vlogs Days in My Life. Welcome back, welcome back. So today is Thursday, October 7th, and I actually just finished recording a hair care video for you guys on my fall routine for my short color treated hair. So that video will probably most likely go live before this one, but I haven't vlogged in a while, so I thought I would go ahead and vlog today. My mom is actually coming in town tomorrow. She's coming for the weekend because me and Dre's wedding anniversary is the 11th, so she's coming down to watch the girls so we can have a little like staycation, you know, getaway type situation to celebrate. And we have not been away from the girls actually since we got married 2 years ago. Like, you know, I've told you guys before that we go on day dates like while they're in school, but we usually don't have anybody here to watch them, so getting away and doing things like that is very scary for us. But my mom always like plans her vacations, and just randomly sometimes she'll come down here and watch the girls so we can have some time away. My mom is awesome about that, on top of the fact that I'm very particular on who I let watch the girls, especially with Audrey being nonverbal. Very particular, okay? I actually have some stuff that I need to pack. First of all, for our weekend away, I have not done that. We're leaving tomorrow on Friday, and it's some things that I've been doing to get the house ready for my mom, you know, to make it easier for her, grocery shopping. I'm gonna cook some food for them for the weekend so she doesn't have to worry about cooking dinner and all of that stuff. Been cleaning the house, doing laundry, you know, all the things that I would normally do on weekends. I'm trying to, you know, fit it into the week so I don't come back to like a ton of chores and stuff to do. I picked up a couple pieces at Walmart that I was actually about to try on to make sure that they fit, because fitting rooms are closed, and I could actually do a little mini Walmart haul with you guys and try on the couple pieces that I picked up in the clearance section. You guys know I shop clearance everywhere, so let's go ahead and try that stuff on. All right, y'all, and I got this top. Was $5. I have to tell y'all, I can shop in the women's section and the junior section. So I got these out of the junior section. This shirt was $5. You know, cute little stripe. Not too bad. And then I got these pants. These were $11, and these are super high waist girlfriend cut. So I think I'm really like more into looser fitting pants now and high waist. So when I saw these, like, it was exactly what I was looking for. And I like the fit of the shirt and the pants. Pants are not too tight, like around this part. They have the slits here. So I like them. Actually, I like this fit. These are definitely gonna be a keeper. I think these pants are like, they're originally $18. So the shirt is just, you know, striped. I like this color for the fall. I think it's cute. I didn't buy it to go together, but thought I would just kill two birds in one stone and show you guys both. All right, y'all, so we got another pair of pants. These were $9, and these are high-rise carpenter fit. Told you I'm really into like the high waist situation right now. So I like, these are a size 7. The other ones are a size 7 too. In juniors, keep that in mind, okay? But these I think fit really good too. Got the cup here. They're loose, not too restricting. So for a pair of $9 pants, it works for me. Okay, but I think I like these too. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below how y'all think these fit on me. But I think they fit good. Keep in mind, you guys, I have not worn a pair of jeans. How old is Adriana? I have not worn a pair of jeans in 5 years. I have been wearing leggings and jogging pants like since I had my girl. So I'm trying to get back into wearing jeans. So I'm trying to figure out what my style is all over again, you guys, okay? So y'all helping me out in this process. But I like these too. Okay, usually since it's fall, I like to have a couple staple pieces, like staple sweatshirts that you can layer with jeans, shorts, you know, in the spring, or you can wear them with leggings, you know, things like that. So I picked up a couple sweatshirts. This one was from the ladies section, and this one is $7.98. Wasn't on clearance. This is the regular price. I think white is always a good color sweatshirt to have. So this is how this fits. I actually think I want it to be a little bit more loose. This is a size small in women's. So not too bad, just a simple staple layering piece for fall, can transition to spring, and also definitely can be worn in winter. But like I would style this with some jeans just like this, or with some leggings and a shirt under it, layer it. Or like in the spring, I'll wear it with some biker shorts, you know, just for those little chilly days and it's still kind of hot a little bit. With some gym shoes, like I said, good staple layering piece. All right, y'all, so I got another sweatshirt. This one I actually got out of the men's section. This is a small in men. Sometimes I like to shop in the men's section because it gives me a little bit of extra room, because I like that loose, like baggy type fit when it comes to my sweatshirt. This one was not on clearance. It was actually a couple cents less than the ladies. So I think it was like $7.94 or something like that. But another simple layering piece. It's not extremely thick. It's really soft sweatshirt. I think you should always have like a white, a black, and a gray sweatshirt for layers. So I actually think I like this fit. So I actually like this fit better than the women's. So I would probably return, I think I'm gonna return the ladies and get it in the men's, or just get a larger size in that white one in the ladies. But I actually like the way the men's fit. I like the way that it feels too. All right, you guys, so then I got this Looney Tunes long sleeve. It's like a thin, kind of like spring long sleeve shirt, not super thick, but I had to get it because, I mean, I'm a 90s kid, so I got it because of the Looney Tunes. And I like to have long sleeve shirts like this because it's weird here in Florida. It'll be kind of cool in the morning, but then it'll get really hot. So I'll actually wear this with like some biker shorts or something, or, you know, when it's a little bit cooler, I'll pair it with some leggings. But I like to have my stuff fit like a bit on the looser side, just to give me, you know, just those chill, cozy vibes. So this shirt was actually $5, so not too bad on the clearance, y'all. And so those were actually all the pieces that I got from Walmart. Like I said, most of those I got on the clearance section. The only ones I didn't get clearance were the sweatshirts, but they were still a good price, right under $8. But y'all, don't sleep on Walmart, okay? They got some good stuff, and then if you can find it on clearance, that's even better. So I just wanted to show you guys that mini haul. It's almost like 11:30 and I haven't eaten yet, you guys. I always do this to myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab me some lunch. Dre made me some turkey sausage, avocado, boiled eggs, and grits under there with some everything bagel seasoning on top. This is one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast in the morning, y'all. It's like bomb AF. Simple, quick, filling at the same time. What's up, you guys? All right, so it's the next day. Do I still have on the same shirt from yesterday? Yes, but that's besides the point. It was just one of those days. I just finished dropping the girls off at school, doing a load of laundry, washing up the sheets and everything for my mom. You guys probably hear the washer, but I just went and grabbed her some of her you know, favorite snacks so she can be comfortable while she's here. So I stopped at Walmart, got her some popcorn, some red vines, and some Gatorades. So I'm about to put this stuff up for her. I'm just doing my typical Friday cleaning. Just finished straightening up the girls' room, and I was doing some organizing in there. You guys are probably like, girl, you always organizing something. But I like things to be in a particular way, so it's easier for me to find things, easier for my husband to find things, you know, if I'm not here. Just, I love organization. So I just organized one of their supply drawers in their room, and also their sock drawer that kind of got out of hand. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I'm gonna pop up before picture so you guys can kind of see what the drawer looked like before I organized it. But I just organized this drawer of all of their little supplies, like, you know, extra toothbrushes over here. These are adaptive aids for Audrey that we use for therapies. And then these are her chewies I've showed you guys in one of my Autism Mom videos. So got those there, mask, and her hearing aid batteries. And these are potty shields that I use for the restrooms for Mila when we're out in like public places, because you guys know she's still small, so she's still sitting on the toilet and holding on to the sides, and I don't like, you know, don't want her to be touching germs. So I bought her, you know, like disposable potty shields that I always have in my purse in a diaper bag for her. Toddler moms, if you don't have these, I highly suggest that you do. Got them on Amazon. A simple, you know, $4 organizing project I gave myself. I got these little bins from the dollar store, of course, Dollar Tree. So I got 4, so that was a $4 organizing hack. And then I also organized their sock drawer because it had got quite a bit out of hand too. These girls have a lot of clothes. They have a lot of everything. So I'm gonna show you guys how I organized their sock drawer, also to make it easier to find socks. And I'm also gonna pop up a before video so you guys can see what it looked like before I did this. So this is what their sock drawer looks like now. I went ahead and rolled their socks to make it easier to grab things in the mornings. I went through and got rid of socks that were too small and, you know, old socks and things like that, and rolling socks like this makes it so much easier. I can see the colors, I can see all the socks, it's just everything. And then in the mornings or whenever I'm getting them dressed or whatever, just grab a pair and go. And I usually don't post a lot of my organizing on this channel. I usually do it on my Instagram, but if you guys want to see, you know, how I do my organizing and my organizing hacks and things like that, let me know down in the comment section below, and I could definitely start providing those videos for you guys, because I love to organize. I love an organized home. I'm gonna be doing a lot of organizing come this quarter because I want to redo the girls' room for Christmas. Instead of buying them a whole bunch of toys, I kind of want to redo their room because they're getting older, and just change some things around. So I know with that it's probably going to be a lot of organizing. So like I said, if you guys want to see how I organize on a budget, let me know down in the comment section below. Now that I have all of their stuff organized and things like that, I still need to pack for this weekend, you guys. But I just realized I've been vlogging on this new camera. I never even told you guys that Dre bought me a new camera, a G7X. I'm gonna show y'all right now. So this is my new camera. It was like an early anniversary gift that he got me. I wanted this camera so bad, you guys. It's the G7X Mark II. It has the flip screen and everything. This is one of the cameras that most vloggers on YouTube use, and this camera runs a pretty good penny, y'all. But he found it on a steal, like paid like half price for it. So this is one of my favorite new toys right now. Quality is amazing. I'm so in love with this camera, y'all. All right, y'all, now I got my clothes all packed. I slipped into something comfortable after my shower. Now I'm just grabbing some cleaning supplies, because for me, I have to clean a hotel room. Like as soon as I get in there, like especially the bathrooms and like remotes and things that we're like touching on a regular basis, gotta clean it. And am I the only one? Do y'all clean hotel rooms? Like when y'all go in, like bathrooms, tub, like surfaces and stuff like that? Am I crazy? Just let me know. So especially now with everything that's going on, I trust myself more than anybody else right now. So just grabbing some Lysol and you know, some bathroom cleaners, nothing spectacular, Walmart brand, sponges, gloves, all of that good stuff. So just like to make sure I have that to wipe down any like frequently touched surfaces, okay? Because everybody is not being as precautious per se as you would be, so just keep that in mind. And I have thought about taking you guys along with me and vlogging our weekend getaway, but since we don't get away that often, like I told you guys, it's been 2 years since we've been alone without the girls, so I don't think I want to take y'all. I think I just want to enjoy my husband and our time together. So I'm gonna close the vlog out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.